In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the connection timed out error, code 526 in Cloudflare. This error typically indicates a problem with the SSL certificate on your server not being configured properly or being untrusted by Cloudflare. Let's break down the steps to diagnose and fix this issue so you can get your website back up and running smoothly. First things first, let's check your SSL certificate. The SSL certificate is crucial for secure communication between your web server and the client. Begin by verifying that your certificate is both valid and not expired. To do this, access your server's SSL/TLS settings and review the details of the certificate installed there. If you find that the certificate has indeed expired, you will need to renew it with your provider. Remember, it's important to keep your certificate up to date to ensure encrypted connections are maintained without interruption. Next, let's talk about installing a trusted SSL certificate. It's essential to use a certificate from a reputable source, such as Let's Encrypt or your hosting provider. These certificates are widely trusted and recognized by most browsers and servers, thereby reducing the chances of errors such as this one. If you haven't yet installed a certificate, or if your current one is from an untrusted source, obtain a new certificate from these trusted providers. Once you have your new certificate, follow your hosting service's specific instructions to install it on your server. Moving forward, you'll want to verify domain names associated with your SSL certificate. This means ensuring that your certificate covers the domain names you want it to protect. Sometimes certificates might be issued for one domain but not cover others like subdomains. Check the list of domains and subdomains enabled within your Cloudflare settings and make sure every one of them is listed on the SSL certificate. If they are not, you may need to reissue your certificate, including those missed. As you undertake these steps, remember to clear your browser's cache and perform a reboot on your server to ensure new settings take effect. After completing these steps, revisit your website in the browser to check if error 526 is resolved. In the case that the problem persists, consider contacting your hosting provider's support for assistance. They can provide additional insights into potential cause and solution, especially if the issue lies beyond your SSL configuration. By carefully following each of these steps, you'll increase the chances of resolving the connection timed out error. Code 526 efficiently. Employing trusted certificates and ensuring they're up to date and correctly covering your domains is crucial for maintaining a secure connection for your website visitors. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help.